Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome to my channel. It's me, Philip Perry. Before we go on, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bink! Guys, today I'm talking about flying during the pandemic. I know it's tough times for everybody, but I mean, life kind of must go on safely. So basically, life as you knew is traveling, going to the airport, chilling, and eating before you fly. It's kind of non-existent anymore. As you can see, shops are pretty much closed. You got it at H&M and your corner store is still open. Your pharmacy is still open, and the needed shops are open. But as far as your shoe restaurants, they're closed. Majority of them. This is the government issued or preferred fly mask to fly in, to travel in, and they said this is one of the best masks. I did my research, bought this mask on Amazon. But guys, let me tell you this right now. This is like literally the most uncomfortable mask to fly in. I wore this for literally 12 minutes. As soon as 12 to 20 minutes, as soon as I got into the airport, and I couldn't breathe. Literally, I had to take it off. Luckily, it broke, and I went into a pharmacy and I went to get a 5-pack of these bad boys. And these go for about 3 to 5 pounds for a pack of 6 in the pharmacy in the airport. And these are way more comfortable and a lot more easier to travel with. So I would say definitely get those.
Completely changed. You know what I mean? Probably safer this way anyway, to be honest. So now you gotta get actual protective, wear the mask. You're gonna have codes for you to be accepted into specific countries. So I think it's better traveling like this. So people always got codes and shit on planes. So probably better staying protected. Got the gloves on. You know what I mean?
Guys, depending on where you're going in the world, I was going to Greece. You have to fill out a passenger locator form. This has to be done online 48 hours prior to your travel. Without this form, you're not allowed to travel. I literally saw 2 people at the airport during check-in not having the form, and literally was taken out the line and were refused travel. Okay, so this has to be done. You have to check with your airline and check on the government website for the countries that need it. I think right now all countries need you to fill out these forms prior to entry into the country. So make sure it's done 48 hours prior to your travel. Without this, BA staff or whatever airline are allowed to not accept you on their flight. So I got to give it to BA, man. They did a great job with this. They give you like a little hand sanitizer, hand cleaner, where you can wipe down your seat, seating area, your food stand, seat belts, whatever it is, your hands, so you can clean yourself before, as soon as you sit down or as soon as you get into your seat. I mean, this is a great little addition, and personally, I wish this was given out before COVID-19. But I mean, it's good procedure during your flight or before your flight, and having just peace of mind knowing you can wipe down your area, your seating area, or the area around you. So this is great. So they give you a little bag, and it has the cleaning stuff in it. Also, during a flight, they basically give you a bag. As you can see in the video, they give you a bag for your food and your snacks, really. So literally, there's no contact anymore. You can't touch them. They can't touch you. They can't grab anything from you. They literally hand you a plastic bag with your snacks in it. I mean, to be honest, BA has done a good job. I generally don't really like BA flights, but BA for now are doing a great job with during COVID-19. I mean, flights are a lot quieter. Everybody's seated. They make sure everybody's seated. There's no moving around the cabin. You can't move around the cabin anymore freely. Going onto the flight is done in sections, so it's very controlled. They've done a good job. The staff are under a lot of pressure, and they're doing a really good job with it. This guy's standing up because he's asking to go to the restroom. You have to ask to go to the restroom, so the staff will tell you when you can go. Before you can just go to the restroom and stand around the restroom area. No more. Exiting the flight literally is done in sections as well. So literally, business class leaves first, then the other sections after that leave, and vice versa, and it goes on from there. And you can see, airports are empty, man. Heathrow going out was empty. Athens going in is was empty. I've never seen both airports this empty. So customs is pretty much straightforward. It's kind of an in and out situation there. So that was pretty cool. But of course, at the same time, it's a pandemic, and it's still very scary in our minds to travel.
Not too bad at all, man. Customs have been real easy, simple. They check your passport. You know what I mean? So just going through the passport check and customs. As you can see, it's pretty empty. It's probably the emptiest I've ever seen in the airport. It's pretty simple too. Going through here pretty smoothly. Yeah, man, it's pretty cool. So finally here in Greece, let me take this off. So finally here in Greece, I have to say, British Airways did a fantastic job. Normally I can't stand them, but I think they did a great job, honestly. The flight was smooth. Flight was on time. The safety precautions that they took, the safety measures that they took on board was great. They give you hand sanitizers and cleaning stuff. The plane was really clean. It was a newer plane, thank God, because BA be flying with some old ass airlines, old ass planes. So this was a pretty new plane, so that was pretty cool. I thought we was gonna get tested, temperature test. There was no temperature test, so you don't get tested in the airport. I think it's all random, so I think you just pick people randomly. Also, before you travel, you got to fill out this form, a passenger finder form. It's a mandatory, so you have to fill it out before you touch down, especially in Greece. It has to be done for the Greek government, so they know where you are, where you're located, because if you don't have that, you're not allowed in the country, so you won't be allowed to fly. Matter of fact, BA, if you don't have this code, basically you fill out the form and they give you a code, a generated code. If you don't have it, you cannot fly. Yeah, BA not allowing you to fly, so make sure you do this, especially coming to Greece. I'm talking about mainly about Greece. Make sure you have this form filled out online and got your code, because I've just come through security. Security was real chilled and easy. Actually, this is like this is like the quietest you're ever gonna see this airport. Unless I'm tripping and I'm in another airport, but I've never seen Athens airport this quiet. So of course, not too many people flying, so security isn't bad, customs isn't bad. The custom line, I was literally in and out in 5 minutes. So now I'm just waiting on my bag, and that's it. This was a breeze, man. I'm actually pretty surprised, and also pleasantly surprised, I would say, and I'm pretty happy because this is a quick in and out. So yeah, all in all, man, that flight wasn't bad at all, man. I was expecting a lot worse. So let's see. All right.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to just ask me in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them. Again, this is flying from London to Athens and Athens back to London during these crazy times. My advice is always check your government website, because depending on the country you're flying to, some may make you quarantine for 14 days, some don't. So all depends on the country you're coming from and the country you're going to. But always remember, you have to go online and make sure you fill out these forms prior to travel. Travel is no more as free as it used to be. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Remember, guys, always bring mask, and bring a couple of masks just in case one break or whatever. So you have a mask, and I would also recommend gloves and hand sanitizer just to have peace of mind. So till next time, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.